So what you can also do inside of Google Classroom is transfer ownership between teachers as well. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here in one of my classroom, and I'm going to go around under people right here. And over here, you can see that currently I am the primary teacher, the owner of this classroom right here. But let's say what I want to do is I want to make another person the owner right here. In that case, I can click on the three dot button right here, and what you can do is you can simply go around and click on make class owner. Once you do that, it says you will remain the owner until the invitation is accepted. The new owner will gain the class and will gain the ability to delete you and the class as well. So if I were to go around and click on invite, then what happens is that the owner invitation will be sent to the other teacher. And then what happens is that the other teacher will receive an email invitation just like this. So it says, tutortubechannel@gmail.com would like you to transfer ownership of general computing online to you. So you can go around and click on respond right here. And what happens is that a new page will open up right here just like this, which says become class owner. So I'm just going to go around and click on accept right here just like this, and what happens is that you become the new owner right here. So the new account is the owner now. So if I were to go around under the people section just like this, then this is what you have. As you can see, you can email this out and you can leave the class right here. But let me just go around and refresh this out right here just like this. So that is what you have. And if I were to go around over here, then now you can see that you can email them, but you cannot actually go around and delete them right here. But over here on this section, now you can transfer the ownership and even remove them. Now you can see that the ownership has been transferred and you don't see the three dot button under this account name right here. So that is how you can transfer the ownership in classrooms as you like inside of Google Classrooms. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe